Hello, everybody. My name is Isabela Castillo Guzman, and today I present the article chose by the teacher Carlos David Moncada and the course the numerical methods of VDD and the application in the engineer because origin in the real life solution at the word so. Right, as the tree goes off. Okay, for remember, the numerical methods of the primary engineer of the and the senses of it is of the complete solution of to be converted at the sample solution. Origin of the machine it is more optimus on the processes is the light wool. Obviously, sorry of the solution because of the review of the time on the economic. And okay, at the show the present ago so at the show's article of Davitri Interiores. This is numerical methods applied into counts operation for computational costing in the Python. And it's the author because of the first Daisy Margot Wangachunata, the second Luis Enrique Sarmiento Torres, and the third Marianela de Jesus Incachunata. All this is the student groups of the formulation the problem about the cause of both in the hardware and the software. And so the comparison because of feeding and generate the solution. Like a safe effort, and this is how the how the computational cost with the respect performance and the processor. Because in the cost of the hardware and the software, because of the EDU we goes above. Okay. Um, of this resolution, the problem of this of the quad 4 is the first specification of the problem and two analysis and three programmings and three checks for production. In the first adequately where the recognize of the problem, the second of the variables, the third of the language programming go the Java, the Python, per se in, and the three the check this where allowing also the verification of this room and the system the room of the good and finish the production. This is our every the okay and arbitrary and so the implementation model because of until okay, and the present the algorithm of the numbers, the unknowns of the equation, and the reference circle only of the ones and the minus of or equals the containers the one the minus or equals of the container two and new Morse one of the three individual here. Okay, and the solution for the side one and the set two of the set of the course the server of the visual and the message of because of the call And step 1 at the step 2 of the condition of the conditional and the core repairing during removing the process and for the step 2 the weights of the conditionals of this when p this is minus equals 1 in minus equals container of the per difference 0 of the other conditionals of the the language of the stop of the required other instruction of the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because of the circle separating of the I are container the positive of this is the increment and you go the performance of the optimus of the optimus processes in the machine the step 7 of the cause of the solution of no exists because arbitrary is trigger the take of the case says new obvious and new more one if the okay so sorry the sheets two states system of the every the successful of the process is of the completed out of between the comparison of the materials. With the presence of the finality of the algorithmic of the so the return the for the container the rate of the variables of the eyes and new of the from the importing the libraries of the share of device of the tree of the tree with you no methods of the dreams or the nets. Okay, and the becomes of the conclusion is that the numerical methods of the very important for the engineers because of the allow the solution of such the problems in the life real of the thing of the resolution and the process either of the know which one it's breeded and sorry of the train science sample of this is more complex. Thank you for visually my video. The you see you later occupation because of the train and our Goricas goodbye. I sorry.